In the realm of firearms, reliability reigns supreme, and certain pistols have earned legendary status for their unwavering dependability. Among them, the Glock lineup stands tall, epitomizing simplicity and durability with models like the Glock 19 and Glock 17, renowned for their ruggedness and minimal maintenance requirements. Similarly, the timeless design of the Sig Sauer P226 has earned it a reputation for flawless operation, trusted by military and law enforcement agencies worldwide. Additionally, the classic Colt 1911, with its robust construction and proven track record, remains a symbol of reliability over a century after its inception. These pistols embody the pinnacle of reliability, serving as benchmarks for excellence in the firearms industry. Now let's get started. Number 8. Beretta 92FS. Semi-automatic pistol, chambered for the popular 9mm cartridge, offers a 15-round capacity. Its open slide, short recoil design contributes to its reliable operation and faster cycle times. The 92FS is renowned for its ergonomics, with a comfortable grip that allows for excellent control during firing. The double-action trigger allows for smooth initial shots in tense situations, while the single-action mode offers a crisp pull for target practice. Sights are straightforward, ideal for quick target acquisition. The Beretta 92FS has been a trusted sidearm for military and law enforcement personnel for decades, and with its blend of firepower, reliability, and user-friendliness, it remains a popular choice for civilian shooters seeking a versatile pistol for self-defense, home protection, or recreational target shooting. Number 7. Glock 19. Strikes a balance between firepower and concealability. Chambered for the popular 9x 19mm Parabellum cartridge, it boasts a 15-round magazine capacity, offering a good balance between firepower and ease of carry. The Glock 19 is renowned for its robust polymer frame, making it lightweight and resistant to harsh conditions. Its safe action trigger system prioritizes safety with a consistent pull that requires a deliberate squeeze to fire. While some may find the sights basic, they offer a clear sight picture for instinctive aiming at self-defense distances. The modular design of the Glock 19 allows for customization with various grip options and aftermarket parts. Renowned for its reliability, simplicity, and ease of use, the Glock 19 has become a favorite among law enforcement, military personnel, and civilians seeking a dependable pistol for concealed carry, home defense, or target shooting. Number 6. The H&K VP9. It offers a 15-round magazine capacity, ideal for self-defense situations. The VP9 prioritizes shooter comfort with its unique grip design that contours to the hand for exceptional control during firing. The double single-action operation allows for a smooth initial pull for quick first shots, followed by a lighter single-action mode for precise target shooting. Additionally, the VP9 incorporates a unique striker system that minimizes trigger pre-travel for a more responsive shooting experience. While some might find the sights basic, they provide a clear sight picture for instinctive aiming. Renowned for its German engineering and emphasis on user experience, the H&K VP9 is a compelling choice for shooters seeking a reliable, accurate, and comfortable pistol for personal defense or target practice. Number 5. S&W M&P 2.0. These striker-fired pistols offer capacities ranging from 10 to 17 rounds depending on the model and caliber. The M&P 2.0 prioritizes ergonomics with its aggressive grip texture and interchangeable palm swell inserts, ensuring a secure and comfortable hold for different hand sizes. The M&P 2.0 boasts a smooth, refined trigger with a lighter pull compared to the previous generation, improving accuracy and shootability. Additionally, an optics-ready slide allows for the addition of red dot sights for faster target acquisition. This combination of features, along with its reliable performance and customizable grip, makes the Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0 series a compelling choice for shooters seeking a versatile and user-friendly pistol for personal defense, home protection, or competitive shooting. Number 4 is the Sig P226. It offers a 15-round magazine capacity, ideal for self-defense or competition use. The P226 boasts a double-action, JAR single-action design, allowing for a long, deliberate first shot in tense situations, followed by a lighter, crisp, single-action pull for precise target work. The stainless steel frame provides exceptional durability, while the double-stack magazine offers a good balance between firepower and grip size. The Sig P226 is lauded for its user-friendly controls, including an ambidextrous safety lever and decocker, making it suitable for left-handed shooters as well. With its blend of reliability, accuracy, and exceptional ergonomics, the Sig P226 remains a popular choice for military and law enforcement personnel, as well as civilian shooters seeking a dependable pistol for concealed carry, home defense, or competitive target shooting. Number 3. Walther PPQ M2. It offers a 15-round magazine capacity for a good balance between firepower and concealability. The PPQ-M2 prioritizes user comfort with its innovative grip design that features an interchangeable backstrap and side panels. This modular system allows users to customize the grip to perfectly fit their hand size and shooting style. The PPQ-M2 boasts a smooth, low-profile trigger with a short reset, aiding in rapid and accurate shots. Additionally, the striker-fired action ensures a consistent trigger pull for a more predictable shooting experience. While some might find the sights basic, they provide a clear sight picture for instinctive aiming at self-defense distances. Renowned for its German engineering and focus on ergonomics, the Walther PPQ-M2 is a compelling choice for shooters seeking a comfortable, accurate, and reliable pistol for concealed carry or target practice. Number 2. Heckler & Koch HK45. It boasts a 10-round magazine capacity, offering a good balance between firepower and grip size. The HK45 prioritizes durability with its polymer frame reinforced with a steel insert, making it resistant to wear and tear. Despite its chambering, the HK45 manages recoil effectively with its innovative recoil reduction system. The ergonomics are another highlight, featuring an aggressive grip texture and user-configurable controls for both right-handed and left-handed shooters. The HK45 operates on a double single-action system, allowing for a deliberate first shot in tense situations, followed by a lighter, crisp single-action pull for precise target work. While some might find the sights basic, they offer a clear sight picture for quick target acquisition. With its emphasis on reliability, ergonomics, and handling of powerful rounds, the Heckler & Koch HK45 is a compelling choice for military and law enforcement personnel, as well as civilian shooters seeking a dependable pistol for personal protection or target shooting. Number 1. Sig Sauer P226. This all-steel, double-action, single-action pistol is chambered for the popular 9x 19mm parabellum cartridge, offering a 16-round capacity. The SP01 prioritizes ergonomics with its extended beaver tail that protects the shooter's hand and allows for a deeper grip. This, combined with the rubber grips, enhances control during firing. Borrowing from the compact P01 model, it also boasts an integral accessory rail for mounting lights or lasers for low-light shooting scenarios. The CZ75 SP01 is renowned for its smooth, accurate trigger, allowing for precise shots and target shooting while also enabling quick and controlled firing in defensive situations. With its exceptional craftsmanship, user-friendly features, and comfortable handling, the CZ75 SP01 has solidified its place as a favorite among competition shooters, law enforcement personnel, and civilians seeking a versatile and reliable pistol for target practice, home defense, or concealed carry.